Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change clan name on Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To change clan name in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open up your Clash Royale application. The battlefield of Clash Royale will appear on the screen. From the battlefield, swipe the screen to the left side. From the clan war page, tap on badge on the top right side of the page. Click on clan's name and tap on settings icon. As you can see, the update to change your clan name has not been updated. Now all you can do is leave the clan and create a new one. So click on leave, confirm leaving of a clan by tapping on leave once again. Now what you can do is create a new clan by tapping on create new. From the pop-up, create a new name for your clan and tap on create. This is how you can change clan name in Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.